Today I'll walk you through how to import data from Excel to JIRA, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to transfer your data seamlessly so you can manage your projects more effectively. Let's get started. First, open your JIRA dashboard. This is your command center for all project management activities. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you're new. Next, in the top or left navigation panel, click on Filters or All Work. This is where you can access your existing filters and manage your work items. It's a crucial step in organizing your tasks. Now, look for the three dots menu located at the top right of your screen. Clicking on this will reveal additional options. Think of it as opening a toolbox filled with useful tools for your project management. From the drop-down, select Import Work Items from CSV or Import Issues from CSV. This is the gateway to bringing your Excel data into JIRA. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. The process remains the same. Next, click Choose File. Here, you'll need to select your converted CSV spreadsheet. Once you've done that, click Next. This step is essential because it tells JIRA which data you want to import. Ensure your CSV is formatted correctly for a smooth transition. Now, you'll need to select the target project. Choose the JIRA project where you want the imported issues to land. This is similar to deciding which folder to place your important documents in. Organization is key. Next up is the date format. Make sure to set the date format to match any date columns in your CSV. This ensures that all your dates are correctly interpreted by JIRA. It's totally normal if this takes a moment. Just double check to avoid any future confusion. Once you've set everything up, click Validate. This will check for any errors in field mapping. Think of this as proofreading your work before submitting it. It's a crucial step to ensure everything aligns perfectly. Finally, click Begin Import to complete the upload. This is the moment you've been waiting for. Your data will now be integrated into JIRA, ready for you to manage and track. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.